347.2 meters medium wave corresponding to 864 kHz and live streaming on News on Air app and DTH. And we now present you children's program. A very good morning, my dear listeners, and yes, here we are once again. Today is Sunday morning, where we present your favorite program, that is children's program. Well, this morning we have for you a program that is arranged by Shri P.Lyngwi as part of the Swachhata Hi Seva, and the topic of today's program is Cleanliness is Service. In this program, you will be hearing a short play and also songs to be sung by the children. The children who will be participating will be Smt.J.M.Warjri, Hami Bansan J.M.Warjri, Kevin J.War, J.War, J.M.Warjri, Ripala Warjri, Hamidius Warjri, Datrang Tainam Lingdo, Depi Ibante Lingwi, and Sana Ibante Lingwi. And accompanying with the keyboard will be Iban Lingwi, and on guitar will be Depinskam Lingdo. The narrator of the play will be Guiding Star Dumpep. Without any further ado, let us now listen to the program.
Hello young friends, and welcome to yet another edition of our children's program. Today's program is quite special. It is Swachhata Hi Seva, that is, cleanliness is service. And with that in mind, we've prepared a play for you, and the play has been scripted by Smt.J.M.Warjri. The characters are Emily, who is a passionate community leader, Jake, a skeptical neighbor, Sophie, an enthusiastic student, Rachel, a local shopkeeper, Ryan, a local youth with social media skills, and Liam, a newcomer to the neighborhood. And most importantly, there's Mr. Thompson, an elderly resident with traditional views. And now, friends, I would like all of our young friends to introduce themselves and their character.
Hi, I'm J.M.Warjri, and I will play the role of Emily, a passionate community leader.
Hi, I am Kevin, and I shall play the role of Mr. Thompson, an elderly resident with traditional views.
Hi, I am Aime Marbot, and I will play the role of Ryan, a local youth with social media skills.
Hi, I am Basuk Shisha Limpung. I will play the role of Rachel, a local shopkeeper.
Hi, my name is Hamidius, and I will play the role of Jake.
Hi, I'm Ripala, and I'm going to play the role of Sophie, an enthusiastic student.
Hi, I'm Itanya Shamplang. I'll play the role of Liam, a newcomer to the neighborhood.
Now, along with these characters who are very much part and parcel of the play, we also have two silent characters who would not say much, but then they will lend their voices during the singing part. One is Depi Ibante Lingwi and Sana Ibante Lingwi. This drama begins in the community park. Well, the scene is a messy park filled with litter. Emily stands in front of a small group of neighbors holding a sign that reads, "Cleanliness is service," and she is enthusiastically speaking.
Thank you all for coming. Today, we kick off our campaign, Cleanliness is Service. Now, who's ready to make our neighborhood cleaner? Ooh, I am. We can't let our park look like this. It's embarrassing.
But what difference will it make? One day of cleaning won't change anything.
He has a point, Emily. People will just litter again.
I know, Mr. Thompson. That's why we're not just cleaning today. We'll also spread awareness. You see, change starts with us.
I love that idea. We need to get the word out to everyone.
I can help with social media. Let's create a buzz online.
Yes, if we share our progress, more people will want to join.
What if they don't care?
Then we'll show them how much it matters. Together, we can make a real impact. Step into the sun, let's get it right. Make a park gleam in the morning light. No more clutter, no more grime. Every corner shines, our time to climb. Grab a broom and take a stand. Piece by piece we'll clean this land. Side by side with hearts so free, together building harmony. It's time to clean up, can't you see? Bring back the beauty for you and me. Every leaf and every stone, this is our home, let it be known. Dust and dirt don't stand a chance. Hand in hand we do this dance. Sweeping through the open air, showing that we truly care. It's time to clean up, can't you see? Bring back the beauty for you and me. This is our home, let it be known. Echoes of laughter fill the space. A sparkling park will leave a trace of love and effort poured with grace. Let's clean up with a smiling face. It's time to clean up, can't you see? Bring back the beauty for you and me. Every leaf and every stone, this is our home, let it be known. It's time to clean up, can't you see? Bring back the beauty for you and me. Every leaf and every stone, this is our home, let it be known.
The group then starts to prepare for the cleanup. They gather supplies in the form of gloves, bags and brooms. Rachel arrives with refreshments and she is handing out water bottles at the present moment.
Here, everyone, stay hydrated. We'll need our energy.
I can live stream our cleanup. Let's show everyone what we're doing.
Great idea, Ryan. It will motivate others to join us.
Fine, but I still think it's a waste of time.
It's not a waste of time if we make it fun. We can have contests and prizes.
Contests do sound good, but we should also educate people on why.
Exactly. We can hand out flyers and talk to passers-by about keeping the park clean.
I can help with the flyers. Let's make them colorful and eye-catching.
What happens when people just throw the flyers away?
Then we'll make a video of them doing it. Let's raise awareness.
The group then begins picking up the trash. Ryan, meanwhile, also starts filming. And as he is filming, he's talking to the camera.
Hey everyone, we're here at the community park making a difference by picking up one piece of trash at a time.
You know, It's sad to see how people have changed. We had respect for nature.
Said Mr. Thompson as he was picking up the litter.
We can inspire that respect again. If we all pitch in, we can do it.
Said Sophie as she was gathering plastic bottles from the park.
But do we really think we'll change anyone's mindset today?
Come on, Jake. Every little bit counts. Remember, even drops make an ocean.
And it's not just about today. It's about creating a habit.
Look at us, working hard. I'm tagging everyone I know to join us next time.
Back in my day, we didn't need a campaign. We just took pride in our surroundings.
Well, it's a new day, Mr. Thompson. Let's show everyone how to take pride together.
So the group sang a song about the beauty of nature and their desire to protect it. It was almost time for lunch, and so the group took a break. Rachel was setting out sandwiches as she was the one in charge of preparing lunch for the whole group.
Time for a well-deserved break. I've made everyone's favorite.
Yay! This place looks so much better. We should all take a group photo. Plus, guys, it has inspired the poet in me. Can I recite a poem to all of you? The hands that serve in quiet acts of care, unseen, where floors are swept and fields stay green. In every shining, polished space lies humble work at the touch of grace. The hands that clean, the heart that tend, serve earth and friend in gentle blend. With every sweep and gentle wave, we honor all that life once gave. A tidy place, a spotless floor, reflects respect and something more. Cleanliness, a task so small, is service rendered to us all. So let us serve in ways so kind, with willing heart and peaceful mind. For every act of care we show, leave seeds of service that will grow.
Wow, that's
a
a
wonderful
wonderful
poem,
poem, Emily. Everyone, look at my phone. I've been getting comments on the live stream. People want to join us next time.
Really? Maybe this could turn to something bigger after all.
We should plan a monthly cleanup day.
Oh yes, I'd like to be a part of that. It keeps me active and involved with the community.
And I could put up flyers in my shop to encourage more participation.
Let's brainstorm fun themes for each month.
Okay, but let's keep it realistic.
I believe we can make it fun and impactful.
And as the group were eating the wonderful, delicious lunch prepared by Rachel, Liam, a newcomer, approaches the group quite curiously.
What's going on here?
Hi, Liam. We're cleaning up the park as a part of our Cleanliness is Service campaign.
That's great, but do you think it will really make a difference?
Yes, it will. Every little action adds up.
But isn't it exhausting to keep doing this?
It can be, but it's about perseverance. We must show the younger generation what matters.
Plus, it's a great way to meet new people.
And think of all the content we can create.
I'd love to join you all. I want to help make a difference too.
Welcome aboard, Liam. Together, we're stronger.
After the lunch break, they continued cleaning. Ryan discusses strategies for more outreach quite energetically.
Let's create a social media challenge. People can post their cleanup efforts.
That's brilliant, Ryan. It'll encourage others to get involved. We could use a specific hashtag to track our progress.
And what if no one participates?
We'll start small and build from there. Every little effort counts.
We could even partner with local schools to get the kids involved.
Yes, kids love challenges, especially if there are prizes.
And we can have a closing ceremony with awards for the best participants. I love that idea. Let's make it fun for everyone.
Okay, I'm starting to see the potential here.
The group then continues with their work. At the same time, they also share their personal stories and experiences.
You know, my late wife always believed in the power of community. She'd be proud to see of what we're doing.
It's amazing how little things can honor those we love. Every small action can ripple out and create bigger changes.
And it reminds us of why we're doing this. For our families and for the future.
Maybe I've been too cynical about all of this.
It's never too late to change your mind, Jake.
And as they finish with the cleaning drive, they gather for a final reflection.
Look at this transformation. We did it, everyone.
I feel like we've created something special today.
I admit, I was a bit skeptical at first, but I see the potential now.
Let's plan our next event.
We could do a beach clean-up next month.
Thank you, Emily. Thank you so much for bringing us all here.
And thank you all for believing in this cause.
It's just the beginning, everyone. Let's keep this momentum going.
And as the momentum is flowing, the group shares their ideas for future cleanups.
We could partner with local schools to get the youth involved.
And I can help spread the word on social media.
I'd love to have a community potluck to celebrate our success.
It's important to honor our efforts and encourage each other.
A potluck sounds amazing. Everyone loves food.
And it will give us a chance to connect more as a community.
Let's set the date and plan it out.
To that, the group raises their water bottles in a toast.
Remember, cleanliness is not just a task. It's a way of life. Together, we can keep our community thriving.
Teamwork and making a difference.
And to the future cleanups.
I can't wait to get started on the next project.
Let's make it bigger and better every time.
You know what, guys? I'm also inspired to recite a poem for you all. To end today's campaign. Service in every sparkling place. We choose to keep the world so clean. In every corner, fresh and serene. We pledge to service, to live, to care, and spread our love in the open air. Each sweep, each scrub, each careful chore transforms our place and so much more. For cleanness calls hearts to rise, to see the world through grateful eyes. In every sparkling place we tend, there's honor found in what we meant. A tidy place, a spotless view, reflects respects for me and you. Let service shine in tasks we keep, for even brooms can sow seeds deep. In acts so small, we find our way to live with love each shining day. Let service shine in tasks we keep, for even brooms can sow seeds deep. In acts so small, we find our way to live with love each shining day.
Saw the sunrise peeking through the clouds, blurred the sky as the moon bowed. Trees were humming melodies so sweet, nature's symphony, it can't be beat.
Oh, what a wonderful world I see. Every corner's new mystery. In the flowers
laugh. Butterflies, they circle round my way. Bright smile that's here to stay.
Oh, what a wonderful world I see. Every corner's a mystery. In the flowers and bumblebee, life's a wonder, pure and free.
Evening comes and the cricket sings. Glistening twilight, angels ring. Fireflies, they dance within the night, glowing bright like hearts alive.
Oh, what a wonderful world I see. Every corner's a mystery. In the flowers and bumblebee, life's a wonder, pure and free. Oh, what a wonderful world I see. Every corner's a mystery. In the flowers and bumblebee, life's a wonder, pure and free.
Listeners, you were listening to children's program that was arranged by Jenny Mrs. Warjri as part of Swachhata Hi Seva on the topic Cleanliness is Service. The narrator of the play was Guiding Star Dumpap. And my dear young friends, I hope you have really enjoyed the program and also gained insightful knowledge regarding cleanliness. And also I hope you have really enjoyed those beautiful songs that the children presented to you. The children who participated were Hosanna J. Nongbet, Hamid Bansan J. Nongbet, Kevin J. War, Mrs. J. War, Matikshar Warjri, Ripalla Warjri, Hamidus Warjri, Datrang Tainam Lingdo, Devi Ibante Grace Lyngwi, and Sana Ibante Grace Lyngwi. And accompanying with the keyboard was Iban Pira Lyngwi, and on guitar was Tapenskam Lingdo. Well, to end our program this morning, we have for you one more song to be sung by the children entitled Cleanliness is All About.
Cleanliness
And listeners, with that song entitled Cleanliness is All About, we have now come to the end of today's children's program. This program is brought to you by Akashvani Shillong. Until we meet again, this is Akashvani Shillong.